everyone! Welcome back sa ating channel, ang zabellefortes. And if you're new here, please don't forget to press the subscribe button and click the bell button so that you are all updated with all my future videos. Today's videos, I'm gonna show you eyeshadow tutorial, guys. So, kita ko sa inyo kung ano yung pinakasimpleng pag-eyeshadow for beginners. So, samahan niyo ko guys till the end of the video. Apat na shades na pwede nyo gamitin for your everyday look at pwede nyo gamitin yun for like parties, pwede na rin yun for simple eye makeup look. So, let's go and let's start now. Okay guys, so I'll show you a quick preparation for a simple makeup look for eyeshadow tutorial na ipapakita ko sa inyo guys. At ito gagamitin kong shade or eyeshadow from REVLON COLORSTAY Day to Night. Ayan. So, itong eyeshadow na to, and pwede mo ito gamitin for your everyday look. Like, pwede mo ito gamitin kung may pupunta kang party. Like, for example, you're at work. Tapos, merong sada na invitation sa inyo. Pupunta kayo ng party at night after work. So, ayan. Pwede nyo gamitin ito, guys. You can have two eyeshadow look with this. So, let's start now, guys. I'll prepare first my face. So, i-wipe ko lang siya, guys. And then, moisturizer. And then, so on and so forth. By the way, guys, ito pala yung madalas kong gamitin for cleaning my face after makeup. Ayan. After makeup, ito madalas kong gamitin. And before. Pag after naman, I need to wash my face, of course, because meron ko na makeup product na hindi niya kayang tanggalin sa ating face. Moisturizer, day and night. And by the way, guys, pag naglalagay pala ako ng moisturizer, hindi ko siya wina-wash every morning. Wash lang ako ng aking face every night before I sleep. So, yun din ang nilalagay ko moisturizer. And then, in the morning, hindi na ako nag-wash. So, once na ako nag-wash ng aking face. At alam na yung oil is also protecting our skin from a dirt or anything that will go through on our skin. So, pagka nandyan yung oil sa ating face, so sila yung nagiging barrier para maging protected ang ating skin, para hindi mapenetrate ng kung ano-ano ang bacteria ang ating face siya. As long as na hindi nyo mahawakan yung face nyo, na wipes ko ng aking face. Kaya a little moisturizer lang. Paggabi, medyo marami ang nilalagay ko paggabi. Ayan. Kunti lang, at least meron protection ang ating skin from the makeup that we're going to apply our face. So, ayan. Ito lang yan. Guys. Hindi na kayo anong malamig ko guys na kasi may iwasan talaga. May neighbor ako na aking pinakasin. Diba? Ayan. Ito yung ina-apply ko sa aking face guys kasi yung aking face is iba yung tone niya doon sa aking neck. Medyo may redness yung aking face. Ilagay ko ito para makorrect ang aking skin tone para mag-match siya sa aking neck. Kaya pag wala akong sa aking face, may pagka-redness na konti ang aking face. For this, I'm gonna apply na yung foundation. Before the foundation, I'm gonna apply this for my under eye. Para ma-lessen yung niya, puffiness, fine lines. Ayan. Ilalagay ko ito before I sleep, sometimes. Yan lang siya guys. Para ma-lessen yung puffiness ng eyes, wala yung fine lines. So, ang madalas mo gamitin foundation because, you know why? Maganda foundation na to kasi it's for at-time product. Sinaro siya ng glow sa ating face. Ayan, madami ko lang. I'm done with the foundation and then ako lang may binitbit ni concealer sa aking under eye. Okay lang. Nalagyan lang ako. Setting powder guys. Sa aking under eye. Brush natin yung mga excess powder. Ganun lang siya. iMagic Eyeshadow Primer. Maglalagay lang ako para kumapit yung eyeshadow. Way of how to apply this 4 shades of eyeshadow. This one is for day and this one is for night. So, meron siya nakalagay dyan. So, susundan natin ito guys. Tingnan natin kung ano ang magiging outcome. So, ito ngayon guys is for day eyeshadow. So, ang pinaka-base niya dito is number 1, the lightest shade. Ito siya guys. Malinig yun ang pinaka-base na. Itong visible kasi parang light na siya. Ang color niya is parang ivory. Next is itong ilalagay natin, the second transition, your brush, this one. Natin ilalagay sa ating face. Ilagyan lang siya ng maigi guys. Hindi siya sa pang-everyday look, especially if you're going to for office or whatever work you have. Ganyan ang shade guys, very light lang siya. And very natural ang dating sa inyong mga ideas. So, lang natin siya ng may try ko na siya, isa lang siya guys. And then, ang gagawin ko guys is papatuwa ko siya ulit ng another shade for siyang i-wear for your night event. Kahit mapupunta kayo party sa gabi, after work, ayun. So, I will add this shimmer shade our part na to here. I-dark natin ang konti dito na part na to para maging intense siya for your night event. Ito yung pinaka-simple eyeshadow that you can wear for your everyday night eyeshadow look. Ito naman, daliluin natin yung i-darken natin ng konti. Kasi medyo dark na rin siya dyan. Mas i-dark natin ng konti for your night event. Intense lang natin yung and this one is for your day eye look. Yes, I'm gonna apply this one. This is mas intense siya for evening events. So, ito siya ilalagay guys. Halfway lang siya guys. Gusto niya man, pag-apply nyo yung fingertips habang makapit. Difference, ayan, guys. Ito yung simple for your daily item. And then this one is for your light look. light events ko guys, ayun tuloy ko siya. Medyo kapala natin na konti yung version natin. Kasi yun naman kung gabi. Wala, kahit very light na siya. Pwede lang siya guys. That's it. So, ayan, pagkakaiba ng ito isa para sa night look nyo. And then ito naman yung para sa day look. Yung lipstick guys, ito sa side look. We have like this eyeshadow. You can have kinds of looks. You can have this for simple to intense look. Later on, ano ko na siya for night look. Transform ko siya sa kabila for night. So, ayan guys, pinapakita ko lang sa inyo kung how it looks like. Kung paano ko nagawa ng paraan, ito na day and night look of this Revlon Colorstay Day to Night eyeshadow palette. Ayan. Guys, here's now my final look, and ito yung pwede nyong you can wear this for your everyday look, and then the other side naman you can wear this for your night look. Simple lang siya guys, and I use this eyeshadow. Ayan, 4 lang siya guys. So ito transform ko na siya guys for an evening look. So I just do it like this para to show you how the outcome of this eyeshadow for day and night. So set ko yung night look. Okay, I'll be back. Okay guys, here's now my final look, and ayan, transform ko na siya for evening look kasi mas best ko yung evening look with this eyeshadow. So ayan, so I hope na nagustuhan nyo ang video na ginawa ko ngayon para sa inyo for day and night eyeshadow tutorial. So thank you so much guys for staying till the end of the video, and sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, please don't forget to press the subscribe button and click the bell button so that you are all updated with all my future videos. So that's all for now guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!